Hi guys, welcome to Queen's Decor. Today we're going to be unboxing some linens. During the course of this video, I'm going to be showing you how I prep my linens to be stored. We'll be tagging them together, updating them in our system, and storing them in our back storage as well. So let's get started.
Hey y'all, so this is how we stack our linens when we need to get them. Usually, of course, you know, every linen comes individually wrapped. So what I would normally do first is check the sizing on it so I can know how to label it in my system, number one, and so I also know how to label it in the back end. Because we have a storage back there that has all our linen hung up on it. So knowing this and they're each color coded. So it would tell me which one of these little tags is going on the hanger. It would tell me how to label it in my software, which I'm gonna show you guys as well. So I know that I order a whole lot of black brown. I always just make sure you double check. Grab a hanger. Open it up. And the great thing about this is when our client uses them and we send them out to the dry cleaning service for it to be done, because we do not do our own in-house like deep cleaning. We send them out to get it washed, stain pressed, stain treated, stain pressed, and returned. So normally when they come, they'll be in a bag that's labeled or with the tag. All I have to do is remove it out of that bag, put my tags, my color code tags on them, and put them in the bag. So next time for rental, I'm just rebagging it so the client can travel with it safely and make sure they have a wrinkle-free tablecloth to use for their next event.
So this is how we go ahead and tag our linens. These little tags are hanger tags. You usually see them in Walmart on the clothing. We use this specifically for the color only, not the size. And in this case, we are tagging a 120 round tablecloth. I have my chart in the back that I normally use to help me. And I'm pretty much doing the same thing here, just double checking the size. This is a 120 round, which usually will go along with the green tags. You can order these on Amazon and make your own tag and color chart to go along with it. And I'm telling you, it's really easy to store. Now that I have all my white linen, next you're going to see me tagging them real quick and moving on to the next color. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. This is another 120 round. It's going to take the green tag. If this was, for example, a 60 by 120, it would have a different color tag according to my color chart that I created. And next you're going to see what the final look looks like, and you're going to see me tagging as well. Let's update our system. With our system, what we usually do is get a photo of the internet, upload it, put in the name of the item and the total that we have in stock. It is very important because our system tracks our quantity so that we are not overbooking ourselves on a busy weekend. And this right here is how we store our items in the back.
Hi, so come on over and let's count some linens with me. I told you I had a lot of new inventories as far as linens. So we pretty much just put some tablecloth away, and now we're gonna count our new ivory chair covers. we're just updating some stuff so it can be, you know what, for you guys. So come on, we just counting, okay?
Here we have a total of 50 Ivy chair covers. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me throughout this video, and I hope I'll see you guys next time.